In this video, I'll show you exactly how I prompt ChatGPT to create a professional logo for any type of business, ensuring I get high-quality, relevant visual concepts. I'm starting right here on the home page, and to begin the design process, I'll copy a detailed brief from my notes for a traditional Filipino restaurant called Lutang Bahay by Nina. I'll paste this prompt directly into the chat. As the AI works in real time, I'm specifically looking for a warm, welcoming, and traditional feel, incorporating a clay pot icon with an earthy color scheme. Once it's generated, I'll click the image to do a full screen check on the fine details of this homey circular badge. Next, let's try a completely different aesthetic. I'll head back to my notes and copy a new prompt for a modern milk tea shop named Sip and Chill PH. I'll paste this into the message bar to create a youthful, Instagram-worthy design using a soft lavender color palette. I'll wait just a few moments while the tool processes the instructions. There's the finished logo, featuring a cute illustrated teacup and boba pearls, perfectly matching the specified branding. For my third concept, I'll copy a highly specific prompt for an Italian-Filipino fusion restaurant called Chow Manila. After pasting it in, I'll wait for ChatGPT to design a badge that expertly combines a pizza slice with a fork, using the specific colors of the Italian flag. I'll open the image to see how well it captured that unique, appetizing neighborhood pizza place vibe. To finish up the session and show you how to get multiple options from a single concept, I'll copy one last multi-prompt. I want to generate 3 distinct versions of the Chow Manila logo at once. One that is vintage, one that is clean and modern, and one that is fun and illustrated. After pasting the request, I'll wait for the AI to present the full collection side by side. Now that they're ready, I can easily compare the different aesthetics and scroll back through all the professional logos I've created in this one session. This simple prompting method turns ChatGPT into a powerful, real-time branding agency for your projects. If you found this walkthrough helpful for upgrading your own branding with AI, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.